Mesachas Chagigah Daf Gimel. Rashi says that if one doesn't understand the kriyas torah by mitzvahs hakhel, he's not mekayim the mitzvah of hakhel. Yitzchak Sorotzkin in Sefer Gvuras Yitzchak asks, what's the understanding in this Rashi? Why is hakhel different than kriyas torah that's in the Shulchan Aruch Rav that writes in Hilchas Talmud Torah that although the halacha is by Torah Shabbal Peh, one is not yotz to the mitzvah of Talmud Torah if he does not understand his learning. However, by Torah Shebiksav, even if one does not understand what he's reading, he is yotz to the mitzvah of Talmud Torah, and to Vun Shulchan Aruch Rav, the huadim by kriyas HaTorah, Amo Oretz that doesn't understand the words of the Torah can make a bracha on the kriyas HaTorah. So why is hakhel different? Like it's Mavur and Rashi over here, that if one doesn't understand the words of the kriya of the melech by hakhel, he's not yitzidei chivasai. So the Gvuras Yitzchak says, you see from here tremendous yisoid that it's cholak be yisoid, the mitzvah of hakhel and the mitzvah of kriyas HaTorah. The mitzvah of kriyas HaTorah is a mitzvah is biyisoid mitzad the mitzvah of Talmud Torah, and therefore the same way the mitzvah of Talmud Torah is niskayim by Torah shebiksav according to Shulchan Aruch Rav, even without understanding the words of Torah, who would think kriyas Torah as well. However, by the mitzvah of hakhel is not mitzad the mitzvah of Talmud Torah, rather the yisoid of the chiyuv is l'man yishmu, in order the Klal Yisrael should get close to HaKadosh Baruch Hu and learn Yerushalayim from the Maimed of hakhel. Like the Vur many Rishonim that the Yesod of Mitzvahs hakhel is that the entire Klal Yisrael should learn Yerushalayim from the Maimed of hakhel. So therefore, in order to get the Yerushalayim from the Maimed of hakhel, one has to understand the words of the Torah. And it brings a rhyme from the fact that we see Noshim are born lishmoya, they coming to hear the words of the Torah, they're not coming to learn the Torah. So you see that the yesod of the mitzvah of hakhel is not because of mitzvahs Talmud Torah, rather it's michtei l'chazek ha'om b'das Hashem. And it says even though anoshim have lilmoid, they're not gora from noshim, they have the aspect of lishmoya, and the yesod of the mitzvah of hakhel is the Chazik B'das Hashem. And according to this Yisoid, the Gvuras Yitzchak continues to answer the Magen Avraham's kasha on the Bach, that the Bach learns that although by Megillah, if one leans the Megillah sitting down, he's Yotzi Dechivosi B'diavad. However, by Kriyas HaTorah, if one leans when he's sitting down, he's not Yotzi Dechivosi, and he has to repeat the Kriyas HaTorah. And the Magen Avraham asks that tzorich here, from that's mavur, in the sugi of hakhel and more on Soita, that the melech was clear the parish of hakhel sitting down because mishum kvoidi shel melech. And the Magen Avraham asks if kriyas Torah, but even b'di'evet, one cannot be yotze sitting down. So why is it the hakhel you could be yotze sitting down? So the Gvuras Yitzchak says that the answer is, according to the Yesod Hanal, that it's cholak be Yesod the mitzvah of hakhel and the mitzvah of kriyas Torah. Mitzvah of kriyas Torah is be Yesod mitzvah the mitzvah of Talmud Torah, and that we learn now that has to be specifically ba'amida. However, the mitzvah of hakhel is the chazek ha'om b'das Hashem, and it's not mitzvah the chiyuv of Talmud Torah. So therefore, it doesn't have the chiyuv to be linked specifically by midah. And the Gvuras Yitzchak brings another raya from the fact that Tosfos says that if one can't hear the melech because he's birachak mokum, he's not yotze the mitzvah of hakhel. However, the Rambam's mashma that even if one cannot hear the kriya of the melech, but he's mechaven the kriya zu, he's yotze dei chivasai. And tzorchim, why is hakhel different than kriyas Torah? That if one can't hear the balkuri by kriyas Torah, is not yitzei chivasi. So Gvuras Yitzchak says, you see, like the Yesod Hanal, that the Yesod of hakhel is not mitzvah the mitzvah of Talmud Torah, rather it's the chazek on b'das Hashem. So therefore, the Rambam understands that as long as He's mechaven the kriya shel hamelech. He's yetzi de chivasei. Moving further on, Taisa says the Yerushalmi is mavur noshim boing to l'shmoya. That's not like Ben Azai that says the chayiv odom l'lamed is bitei torah. The Yerushalmi is going on that. The Ben Azai said the chayiv odom l'lamed is bitei torah by the parish of Soita. She'em tishte the Mei Soita, she will know that schus torah. Ein sifik v'uris Yitzchak that's matmiya on the sugya that the whole halacha, the chayiv odom l'lamed is bitei torah according to Ben Azai is only the parish of Soita. So it's tzorchian on that the Yerushalmi compares it to the mitzvah of hakhel. So it's mashma korcha from the Yerushalmi that the Ben Azai holds the chayiv odom l'lamed is bitei torah is the entire Torah, and therefore hakhel as well. She is mechuyev to learn. So according to Ben Azai, noshim are not coming l'shmoy, rather they're coming l'ilmoid. But hagufa tzorchian. How could it be there's a chiyuv to learn kol Torah kula to your daughter? The pasuk says b'neichem v'loy b'nei seichem, and furthermore it's shver that if there's a chiyuv to learn kol Torah kula to one's daughter, what does that have to do with the fact that Ben Azai says sheteida sh'aschus toila? What does that have to do with the fact that schus toila? So Yitzchak Sorotzkin says, and Gvur's Yitzchak understanding is that be'emes it's mavur that there's two separate chiyuvim in the mitzvah of Talmud Torah. There's a mitzvah of a yisip boyim v'layla that one has to learn the entire day and the entire night. And mitzad the mitzvah of a yisip boyim v'layla, one can learn only one Indian and one word of Torah many times. However, there's a second mitzvah of the Talmud Torah of Vishinantam levanecha chiyuv divrei Torah b'chudodim b'ficha, that one is mechuyev to teach his son the entire Torah. And the Beis Halevi in Parshas Mishpatim explained that there's two inyanim in the mitzvah of Talmud Torah. There's one chelik in the mitzvah of Talmud Torah, the actual learning, and there's another chelik of the mitzvah of Talmud Torah is that one has to learn Torah in order to know the mitzvahs, in order to be able to mekayim the mitzvahs properly. One has to know the Torah. And the Beis Halevi says that noshim only have the second chelik of Torah, that they have to learn Torah in order to know the mitzvahs. They have to know the mitzvahs that pertain to them, and that's why they have to learn Torah, but they don't have the actual mitzvah of Talmud Torah. So the Gvur's Yitzchak explains that according to Ben Azai, that one is mechuyev to teach his daughter Torah. He holds that although it's nismait, that's only a miyat on the mitzvah of v'higisu boyim v'layla. However, on the mitzvah of Vishinantam levanecha, this one has to teach his son the entire Torah. That noshim are not nismait, and one is mechuyev to teach his daughter as well kol Torah kula. However, according to us that don't agree to Ben Azai, the whole chiyuv to teach one's daughter Torah is not mitzad the mitzvah of Talmud Torah, is only in order that they should be able to do the mitzvahs. However, according to Ben Azai, there's a mitzvah, the actual mitzvah of Talmud Torah, of Vishinantam levanecha, to teach one's daughter Torah as well. So therefore, Yitzchak Sorotzkin explains that's the understanding in the Yerushalmi, that according to Ben Azai, noshim are not coming l'shmoy, they're coming lilmoid. And he explains that the Yerushalmi says that she should know that schus Torah, that means that therefore she's mechuyev to learn the Torah itself, and she's mechuyev to learn the actual Torah, in order that she should know that schus Torah. It's a little tzarchian. This nekuda of schus Torah, ayin seif avnei mokim, the eses kasha is meirich, with other pshatim Yerushalmi v'ayin sham. Moving from the where it says that children come to hakhel k'tei litin schalim eviyayim. The Torah even declares in the chiyuv to bring children to hakhel k'tei litin schalim eviyayim, is that the chiyuv on the father or a chiyuv on bezdin. So he says akorcha it's chiyuv on bezdin because it can't be a chiyuv on the father, because it's mavur in the Gemara that we compare the halachas of riyah to the halachas of hakhel, and by riyah's halacha the misha ein karka is potter from riyah. So who adin one should be potter from hakhel as well, and you need specifically karka in Eretz Yisrael, a kinyan haguf, and when one's father is alive, it's impossible for the child to have a kinyan haguf in Eretz Yisrael. So therefore, the children should potter from hakhel, and the whole chiyuv of hakhel is when the father passed away and the son owns the karka. So therefore, Bezdin's mechuyev to bring the taf to hakhel. And Torah Eben says that it could be even if one has a father. He yarshened his mother a chelik in Eretz Yisrael, and therefore he's mechuyev in hakhel, and his father is mechuyev to bring the hakhel when he has karka from his mother. Eines Fas Emes that argues on the Torah Even, and he says since the chiyuv to come lahakhel is not a chiyuv on the children, rather it's a chiyuv on the father, so therefore it doesn't pertain to this halacha that misha in the karka is part of hakhel. Ein the Gilyonis Birchas Tzvi from Tzvi Einstadter, the Rosh Yeshiva in Baltimore, that's Meirich, that brings Mary Marmakoimus on this Torah Even, and he brings to the Shelas Yavitz learns that even karka and chutzlarts, one is mechuyev aliyah l'regel and chiv and hakhel. And the Dvar Shmuel in Pesachim Daf Gimel says a tremendous yisoid that we need dafka kinyan haguf for bailus and karka is only when the bailus and karka is the yisoid hamachayev. However, if the bailus and karka is only a t'nai, then even kinyan peiris is mahani the kuli alma.